How to stop spam calls on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon. Now type phone by Google. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on phone by Google and install this application. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down, click on apps. Now tap on default apps. Now select phone app. Now select Google Dialer. Now once you're done, go back to the home screen. Now open up Google Dialer on your device. Tap on three dots at the top right corner and go to settings. Now simply tap on caller ID and spam. Now enable the toggle for see caller ID and spam ID. Also enable the toggle for filter spam calls. Now the next method is to install the spam blocker application. Open up the Play Store, tap on the source icon and type Truecaller. Now install this application. Now wait for some time. After installing, go back to the home screen. Again open up settings. Now go to apps, tap on default apps. Now tap on phone app. Now select Truecaller. Now open up Truecaller. Now tap on get started. Now select Truecaller and tap on set as default. Now simply sign in into your account. Now complete the setup process and then you will be able to block spam calls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.